Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study and understand math. To truly grasp mathematical concepts, begin by actively engaging with the material. Don't just read, question everything. Focus on understanding the underlying principles and the why behind each formula or method. This foundational understanding is crucial. Break down complex problems into smaller, more digestible parts, tackling one step at a time. This approach makes even the most challenging topics feel achievable and builds confidence. Active learning is key to deep understanding. When attending lectures, take detailed notes, but don't just copy. Try to summarize key ideas in your own words, which forces your brain to process the information. A fantastic technique is to teach a concept to a friend or even an imaginary audience. Explaining it aloud reveals gaps in your own knowledge. Also, use visual aids like diagrams and graphs. They can make abstract mathematical ideas much more concrete and easier to remember. Consistent practice is non-negotiable for math mastery. Aim for at least 30 minutes of dedicated practice every day rather than cramming. Work through a wide variety of problems, starting with easier ones and gradually moving to more challenging exercises. Resist the urge to look at solutions too quickly. Struggle is part of the learning process. When you do make a mistake, analyze it thoroughly. Understanding why you got something wrong is often more valuable than getting it right the first time. Don't be afraid to seek help when you need it. If a concept isn't clicking, ask your instructor or a tutor for clarification. They are there to support your learning. Forming a study group can also be incredibly beneficial. Discussing problems with peers often provides new perspectives and helps solidify your understanding. Finally, regular review is crucial. Dedicate about 15 minutes each week to revisit older material. This strengthens retention and helps you see how new topics build upon previous knowledge.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.